G'day guys, welcome to the channel. So today what I'm doing is changing a tie rod end. We have actually a loose tie rod end, which is the driver's side, so it's the outer one. So as you can see, obviously got the tyre off, got the wheel off. Just checking out some of the components here. I actually checked out this used shocker, so obviously the shocks on this car, I haven't changed anything yet, but I actually took the passenger one off, checked it out, and it's got a lot of compression in them, so I'm assuming that these shocks are in good condition. In the next or in the future, I'm actually going to be replacing the upper and the lower control arms to the fully adjustable ones. Just want stronger but fully adjustable, so we can get this all tied in properly. But today what I'm focusing on is the tie rod end. There's a new one, obviously, and now I've got a puller, and so I didn't bore you with the boring stuff. I've actually already pulled this out. It's loosened out, and it actually came off pretty easy with this puller. So I had this sitting in the toolbox for quite a while. I thought I'd just give it a go before I actually gave it 2 whacks with the hammer, and yeah, it cracked pretty easily. So I'm going to replace this one, and and then just check over a few other things. I actually checked everywhere in relation to other components within the steering system, and everything seems pretty fine, everything's pretty tight, but it was this one here that was actually quite loose. I'm just going to put the camera down, I'll come back to you, and we'll get this one on and get the other one, get this one off and get the other one on. Okay, guys. Okay, so welcome back, guys. So here's the new tie rod installed. I've just got to go down to Super Cheap or whatever to get some grease. You pop it into the grease gun and grease that nipple. There's the old one. It's come out. It's actually got a split right there. You can see the split. Plus there's actually movement in this ball joint. That one has seen some days, but no longer. Yeah, it was relatively an easy job. It was just a bit tight, screwing into the tie rod itself, but managed to align it correctly and put it back to the position where the old one came out. So that's it, guys. Easy job. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.